Hey everybody, it's Scott, Simcoe Spring Service, and today I'm going to show you something that I think might be either the smartest thing I've ever done or the stupidest thing I've ever done as a mechanic. So here's the bolt. So you can see on this end here, I got the nut off of it, and the bolt is actually moving with my fingers. But if you go over here, there's one little access port here, which I can't even get my finger inside of. And over here is a gas tank. Thanks, Dodge. So how do you get that bolt out while being the laziest mechanic in the world? I'm gonna wrap a string around it, push it through, pull the main leaf out, and see if it works. And then hopefully I can take the string and just yank it back. We'll find out.
I tried to hold it straight. It's
like... Okay, let's see if we can get this thing to work. You can't even see this string because it is thread, but I can't have anything thicker than a few thousandths of an inch. Okay. I need a little punch. Okay, try that. Nope. That's hitting the gas tank now. How long is it? Let me check. Use this as a measuring tape. Okay, so it's right there. So we're like 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch away. Okay, and then new. Oop, you just cut the string. What? Because you were rocking it back and forth, it got sliced.
Fucking shit. That little piece on that last end, they put the 10 mil on it. It's the only piece sticking out. That's stopping it.
Oh, I know. So I'm wondering if you should grind it down a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
But now I got nothing to pull it out with.
Inside the slot there.
And take a piece of band iron I modified. Reach up inside the hole. Let's see if I can fish it back. Nope, I need something stronger. I didn't know I could fit a whole screwdriver in here. Yeah, that's half of it. Oh, it's hitting. That was on purpose. Okay. Whew, baby. Okay, so that didn't work at all. Don't really want to nip it off the torch. I gotta take about half of that off.
Yeah.
Alright, so you got a good thought or idea on this stupid thing? Spin the nut on, tighten it, then take a zip disc, cut half of it off.
Yeah.
Think that would work?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's try it. You want to get that together? I'll get a grinder and zip this in a shield. And
Yep.
shield and all like that. Okay. There should be just enough stick in it. Yeah. If we have to, we'll do it again. I don't care. We got it all day. We're billing by the hour.
I don't need that. Shoot, I'm doing that now.
Ah! Shit. So, grab my little thingy. So close. Nope.
Damn. Oh. That way. No.
Well, then we'd have to do this.
Back down the road.
Like that. But now, how do you get it back in?
Open the hanger.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give it a little smack with the hammer and.
Can we get a pit bar?
Ah. There you go. There you go.
Thingy! And there! Do the thing. Okay.
Look at that.
Oh, why are we replacing this? Broken main leaf. The bloody. It's got a snap right in it. Right on the center bolt, right there. Right there. Woo. It's amazing how flexible. It's almost like half of it's not even there. Can we go your way more?
Yep.
Until the buttons
In the axle.
in the axle.
Yep.
It's gotta... Kind of asshole design, something like this. Okay, if I get this big boy out. I need the opposite of that. Okay, one more try. God, it's so close now.
I know, I can see that. I'll pull down on it a little bit and give it a smack.
Now it's gotta go my way. I think it worked.
So,
Okay, so we gotta get it straighter. Yeah, right there. It's going. And the phone rings.
Yeah. Sweet. That's it.
There we go, we got it in. The nut on, and I should be able to get a socket on that and tighten it. But we got to get the weight of the vehicle on it first. But yeah, that kind of worked out. Not bad when you only have a hole that big to work through. There you go, everybody. That's how you install a stupid ass bowl on a Dodge Dakota when you don't want to take the gas tank out because you're way too lazy. All right, have a good day and take care.